Are you in need of construction equipment rentals for Spring, Texas? Well, if so, you have come to the right place. TLH Equipment Rentals is a company that provides quality, compact equipment at competitive rates. We rent out everything from skid steers, track loaders, mini excavators, and even wood chippers. If you are looking for a fast and easy rental process, then give us a call today. TLH Equipment Rentals helps landscaping contractors, construction companies, and individuals in Spring and the Woodlands area get the projects done fast. Our company rents out everything from skid steers to track loaders. Renting construction equipment from TLH Equipment Rentals is a great way for you to save time and money. There is no need to buy expensive machinery or attachments when you can rent them at competitive rates.